Greetings everyone and welcome to Humanities 203. I am your friendly neighborhood humanities professor, Dr. Bass, and in this short video, no more than 5 minutes, I'm going to take you through some of the general features of our course. I'm going to show you a little bit about our online site here on Blackboard, and I'm going to get you started on your very first set of assignments, that is the Humanities 203 orientation. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to take you through this menu on the left-hand side. This is how it is that you're going to navigate our course. Anytime you sign on to the course, you're going to come here to the Humanities 203 homepage. This is kind of a launch pad for everything else. This is kind of the hub. Here in this top part, you'll find everything you kind of need to navigate the course generally. So here again is the homepage. Here's your Humanities 203 syllabus. I'm going to talk about the syllabus a little bit more in a second because the syllabus is very, very important. As Morpheus says, everything that you could need to know about the course is in the syllabus, so it's very important that you know that syllabus well. Here also at the top you see your Humanities 203 grades. You can use this anytime to check to see exactly how many points you have in the course. If we keep moving down, this section is where you're going to find all of the assignments for the course here, this second big section right here. So for instance, you're going to start with this orientation. You're going to do a series of blogs, 4 blog entries. You're going to have a final exam, and then these are the learning units that are going to open up as the course moves forward on South and Southeast Asia, East Asia, pre-colonial Americas, and Africa. But the first unit won't open for another couple of days. That is after you've done this orientation. So the very last section that we have here is where you can get any kind of help that you could need with Blackboard, tutors, studying, just about anything. We have links for tech support, Blackboard help. If you're having problems navigating Blackboard, that's where you go. Then we also have a link to the 211 site, which is the student services at Heartland Community College. And then we have a link to the student handbook. So where are you going to start? I'm going to show you where you're going to start with this course. You're going to start right over here on this tab, the Humanities 203 orientation. If I go in here, you're going to see that there are a series of activities that I want you to complete over the next few days. Here are the activities, here are the due dates, and then here are the point values for each of the activities. And I want to just take you in here and show you the kinds of things that you're going to be doing here. So the first thing that I want to point out is the first study guide that you're going to do on the Humanities 203 syllabus. Here is our syllabus, and there are a couple of things that I want to point out about it. There are several live links that could be useful for you. Here's a link to my Heartland Community College webpage. Here's a link to the Humanities webpage on Heartland Community College. I'm going to point out another link or two in a minute, but there's one part of the syllabus that you need to get to know very, very well, and it's the parts that you find on page 5 and 6. That's this section on graded assignments. The way that you're going to be graded in this course is very different than the way that you are graded in other courses. The course is put together a little differently than most of the other courses that you take. Make sure that you understand what's in here, and as always, if you have any questions, just let me know. The next thing that you're going to do here is an icebreaker forum. I've already done my entry on the icebreaker forum, so I look forward to your responses on what it is that I've written, and I look forward to responding to what it is that you write as we're getting to know one another. Then I want to show you this. The next thing that you're going to do is a Google Earth Explore Your World tutorial. Every unit that we do will begin with a Google Earth exercise where I'll actually be taking you to the spots that we're studying on Google Earth. This is very exciting. So this is Google Earth, and we can use this to look for different places. Here you can see I've already marked the Sanchi Stupa in India right here. If I zero in a little more, right there, that structure is thousands of years old, and I'm just going to drop right in here. It's going to give me a street level view, and there it is. That's the one and only Sanchi Stupa. That's fantastic. So we're going to be using this drop-in feature quite a bit, and the tutorial is going to ensure that you're able to navigate Google Earth fairly easily. So another feature that's going to be important is this search feature right here, but again, you'll go over all that when you do the tutorial. So there's just one more thing that I want to point out to you. That is the second to last activity that you're going to do is this Gardener's Art Through the Ages, studying our textbook, the first chapter of our textbook. So if you go into the syllabus, you'll see right here there is a link where you can go and purchase this access to our textbook for $20 electronic access. You don't have to use this $20 option. You can actually buy a hard copy of the book if you want to. But if you do, you're going to have to get it to you quickly. This is a 6-week course. The course is going to move very, very fast, and you're going to have this textbook straight away. And as you can see, you have this ebook option right here to buy access to the book for about 20 bucks. So that's not too bad, given the cost of college textbooks generally. Just a couple of quick final notes. Number one, always keep in contact with me. If you have any questions or concerns, it's better to over-communicate than under-communicate in these online classes. Also, an important note, you're going to read this in the syllabus. This is a 6-week course, accelerated course. That means that the content of this course is going to move very, very quickly from the beginning, and it's not going to slow down until the course is done. That means that from the beginning, you need to read the syllabus very carefully and know the expectations of what's to come. I'm very glad that you signed up for this course. I can't wait to learn lots of stuff with you. It's going to be an exciting time. So welcome to Humanities 203. I am your professor, Dr. Bass, saying I'll see you soon.